What's happening, everybody? This is Doug here. I wanted to take just a second and shoot a quick tutorial on how to update your ports. As many of you know, we are upgrading your website to our new server, which has some added security features. One of them meaning every email has the latest in SSL technology. We do not support non-SSL emails, so that means that you will have to upgrade your port, or you'll have to change your port number, or else your emails will cease to work. Most of you use Outlook, so I want to show you real quick how to do this. So when you're on the account that is giving you the error, if you look here, it's going to be an error that looks something like this. Not working. It might make the window pop up where you need to re-enter your password and it just doesn't seem to be working. Well, what you do is you go File. You make sure that the account that you want to update is right there. Click Account Settings, Server Settings. This right here is where you're going to be able to change everything. Now this has our old port settings there. Your mail server is going to be your email address, your name at yourwebsite.com or whatever it may be, and your password will still be the same. But what you want to do is you want to change this encryption method to SSL TLS. Now you're going to change your incoming mail port. If you have your email set IMAP, it's going to be 993. If it's set POP, it's going to be 995. This is IMAP, so I'm going to go 993. Then you want to click on this tab to open up your outgoing mail. You're going to also switch this to SSL TLS, and you're going to change this port to 465. And also I would encourage you, if you get a lot of big emails, you probably want to bump the server timeout to more than a couple of minutes. Want to make sure that it's checked. My outgoing server requires authentication. Use the same as my incoming mail server. Click Next. It will test everything out and say account successfully updated. If you have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the office and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot and have yourself a fantastic day.